Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am still having my adventures in the DMV. This video is going to be dedicated to a store called Everyone's Place. It's located on North Street in Baltimore, and I'll put the description below. But as you can see, I went to the store and I saw these beautiful decorative like earring hooks. I'm definitely going to try to DIY this. I can see that being a fun DIY. But the store was really cultural. It was very beautiful and unique. On the first floor, you had a lot of African goods like the shea butters, the oils, jewelry, and then a couple of steps take you up to this area that has all these beautiful African fabrics, and one of which that I fell in love with that you'll see here in a moment. My palm was itching looking at all these fabrics. I wanted to add it to my stash. And I had this beautiful mud cloth fabric that I ended up purchasing that I plan on making some pillows out of. So as you can see, this place is filled with masks. And as I was approaching the second floor going up the stairs, I saw these dolls that I did a DIY project, very similar. And so I was like, oh, these are so nice. Maybe I should add these to my staircase as a decorative touch. But here on the second floor is pretty much what they have, like their bookshop. It is like a beautiful warehouse, a very Afrocentric, Pan-African, and African-American books and beautiful children's books as well. It's a really great collection. So this has just been a really jewel to find. So if you're ever in the Baltimore area, and I definitely suggest that you stop by Everyone's Place. I see this very much a community jewel. Like, this is something I would love to like have someday. But it is filled with masks and jewelry and clothing and books. And so it's a small physical store, but it has a beautiful impact and a beautiful collection of things. So if you're ever in the area, feel free to stop by, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.